Hello people, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back after a really long time, but today I have this super easy Indian wedding guest makeup look which I have recreated using all affordable products. I wore this look on my parents' anniversary party. I have a lot of pictures of it on my Instagram page. Just in case you're not following me there, go ahead and follow me, and yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna prep my skin with my favorite Neutrogena moisturizer and then going ahead and using my BB cream and foundation, applying it all over my face and then blending it out with a beauty blender. Next up, I'm just going to use my Odbo eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the darkest brown color and filling into my brows. And then with the same color, I'm just going to contour my nose. And then with my fingers, I'm just blending it downwards. Also contouring my cheeks, making that funny face. Using a tad bit of highlighter. So next up, I'm using my makeup fixing spray, and with the same blender, I'm buffing it into my skin. I'm gonna go ahead with my eye makeup, and I'm gonna use a little bit of BB cream to cancel out all the darkness onto my lid, and then just blending it out. Then using the same Odbo eyeshadow palette, I'm using the brick red color and I'm putting it into my crease as a transition color. You want to make sure that you build the color up really well because you want the transition to be really soft and you want it to stand out. I'm gonna take the same color on my lower lash line. Next up, I'm using a pink eyeshadow and applying it on my lid. I was not happy with the color, so I intensified it with a little bit of lipstick. Using the same highlight color in my inner corners. Then taking a fluffy brush, just brushing out any excess product. Going ahead with my Maybelline Colossal Kajal, I'm gonna line my upper lash line. Then using a blue eyeliner, I'm just gonna line my lower waterline. So here's a trick: if you want your eyeliner to stay for a longer time, you gotta top it off with a little bit of shadow so that it doesn't move. Then curling my lashes and using my favorite mascara. Then using a magenta pink lipstick, I'm gonna apply it on my lips. The product that I use will be mentioned in the description below, so check it out. And then I just got changed into my clothes and wore my jewelry, and this is the final look. If you guys like it, then do subscribe to my channel for more such videos and follow me on all of my social media. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye.